everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a great holiday season. I know I was super busy. I've been running non-stop. It's very enjoyable. It's always a little sad when it ends. I still have my tree up. I'll probably take it down next week. And although I don't have too much time to be sad because it comes pretty much on the heels of New York Fashion Week, so I'll be busy with that. So not too much time to mourn the end of the Christmas season. But I'm going to share with you today things that I got at Urban Revivo. They were having a great sale. I think you spent $229. You would get $60 off. So I got 3 things, which came to $156. So I did really well. And I have to admit, I was totally influenced by Britchick. I was watching her channel and she was wearing this wonderful coat and talking about the coat and going on about it, and it looks so good on her. It's such a great coat. I'm like, oh my god, I want that coat. So she had said she got it at Urban Revivo, so I had to head over there and they still had it, so I got it. So it's here in this package here, so I'm going to open up that right now and show you everything that I got. So I'm going to save that lovely coat for last. First thing I'm going to show you is the sweater. Both of them are black. One was in burgundy. I might get another burgundy. I might go back and get a burgundy sweater. I first heard about Urban Revival actually through Tamara Kalinic, and she was talking about it, and she got this really great sweater with these really fun sleeves. I almost bought it, but I might go back and buy it. Really fun and great closures, like really like statement buttons. Also another influencer I follow, Hyla Lugs. She has a lot of their sweaters as well. I see her on Instagram. But that's what I got this time. I got this great, it's kind of like a sweater top. Such fun sleeves. I mean, how fun is that? It's not like exactly sweater material. It's not quite as warm in that. It's a little bit different. It's a thinner knit than straight up sweater, but looks like it would be relatively warm. It's got this great V-neck, so you can wear it buttoned up, or you can wear it as a cardigan. I just think this is super fun. I can't wait to wear it. Hopefully, I want to try it on for you guys. But yeah, this was, I think it retailed for, what's it here? I'm not sure. I think it was about $60, and then it was on sale. And like I said, when I applied that, when I reached the $220 limit, or $219, I think it was, I can't remember. I think $219, and then it was the $60 off. So like I said, all 3 items came to $156 all in. So yeah, that was really, really great. And then the next thing is another sweater. This one has some fun closures on it, so I'll show you that. This is cropped, so it's a little more of a cropped sweater, so you'd wear that with something higher waisted. I love this pointed lapel collar here. I think that's great. And these fun button closures here. You can see that. But yeah, very sophisticated, a very nice cut. Like I said, I'll try these on for you as well. But yeah, I'm just very, very excited to have it. I really want to go back and get something in burgundy. I like the extra long sleeves here. And the cuff. I like the cuffs as well. I think it gives a sophisticated, kind of romantic look. I think it'll be very, very flattering on. So that was the second item. And now for the beast was installed. It's the coat. So this great coat. Just this coat. I mean, is this fun or what? I mean, come on, you can't say you don't love something like this. I'm so excited to wear this. I'll probably wear it to Fashion Week. It's probably going to be cold. It's going to be quite warm. So, yeah, I'm excited to try these on for you guys. Yeah, this was on sale. I think it it was $179, and it was on sale. It was a little bit off, I think, a little bit off. But mainly it was the $60. After I applied the $60, the whole thing came to $156. So, or $59 to be specific. So it's really great. It's really, really fun. You can see that there. Camera, she's like blowing on it to see kind of how it moves. She was talking about how it will move in the wind. I'd have to agree with her on that. I think that was really great. So yeah, I'm going to try this on for you all. And yeah, I thought I did really well. It was the first time purchasing from Urban Revivo, so I was like super excited. I liked all the pieces I got. I hope to, get a few more pieces of them as well. But yeah, so if you guys are looking for some fun coats, there's another coat on there that I almost got, but I just fell in love with this coat. But there was another one that I almost got that I might even go back and get. I don't know. So yeah, definitely check out Urban Revivo. I think you guys will kind of like a lot of their pieces. They're kind of unique and different looking, and the quality is relatively decent for the price. So anyway, so yeah, let me try and I'll insert some clips here of me wearing these. This is the first sweater. See these great statement sleeves. I love them. I think it's super flattering, super fun. It's ribbed material. See a little closer here with the ribbed material, and I love the deep V-neck. It just fits perfect. Kind of fits like a glove. I think it fits great. I think it's really, really fun, and for the price, it's just great. The quality is really nice. Yeah, I really, really, really like it. I'm very, very, very excited to have it. I think it's great. The trousers are a little wrinkled, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. And this is the second top, definitely more cropped. I love these little lapels here. I like the fitted sleeves, and with the kind of 70s inspired lapels. Yeah, I think it's really nice. Yeah, these are the buttons here. I think they're kind of like toggles in a way. You open it this way, kind of straight, and then you do it horizontally to keep it closed. But yeah, they're very nice quality, nice detail, a different kind of unique out of the box. Kind of like about Urban Revival. I think this stuff is kind of unique and different looking, so that's kind of what attracted me to them. You can see why so many influencers are, wearing their pieces. Yeah, so that's that. I think it's great. And next up, I'll be showing you guys the coat. So this is the great coat that I saw in Karen's channel. It's got pockets up here, some great pockets. It's so furry that I had a hard time finding the closures. They're hooks, but I was having a hard time finding them. They're buried in here. They're literally buried in here. That's one thing I think might be a bit of a struggle. But how fun is this coat? I mean, really, I cannot feel like, $1,000 in this coat, or should I say $1 million? Inflation. And the camera showing how it looks, how it looks when the wind's blowing. I love that. That's kind of what drew me in. I mean, just loving, loving, loving this coat. And it's warm. I mean, it's short. That's the only thing. It's like a cropped coat. It's not like super long, but yeah, what is not to love with this coat? So fun. So guys let me know what you think. Leave comments and your opinions down below. What you think of this coat? I think it's just wonderful. Yeah, she's totally won me over with this coat. And like I said, there was another one on there. Still thinking about getting it. I don't know. I probably won't come from this shopping ban now, but I would like to have it. But yeah, so that was my gift to myself with my bonus money for the holiday season. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this. If you do, like I said, consider liking, commenting, joining the family, subscribing, and I'll see you all on the next one.